Now, some questions for you. Have you seen a mirage, which is an illusion of the appearance of water on the hot road or in a desert? Have you seen like this? In summer season, we are experience this on the road while we are traveling. At some distance, we are feeling that their light reflects from the ground or from the road. Have you seen this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हम्म. उन्हाळ्यामध्ये ज्या वेळेस आपण रोडवर जात असतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला असं लांबून जर बघितलं असं का रोडवर एका ठिकाणी असं तिथून लाईट असं बाहेर आल्यासारखा वाटतो असं बघितलंय का? तर हे कशामुळे घडतं? तर आपल्याला तेच शिकायचं आहे. Have you seen that objects beyond and above a holy fire appear to be shaking? Why does this happen? Holy fire. Holy fire, do you know?
Yes, sir.
So objects beyond and above the holy fire appear to be shaking. Why does this happen? Can you tell me?
Because of heat radiations.
Yeah, what there?
Because of heat radiations.
Because of heat radiation. Very good. So now today we are going to see why this mirage happen. Mirage means there we can say we are feeling that from ground light is coming out. Okay, that phenomena is the mirage. Okay, so for this we know radiation is going on, refraction of light is going on always, but it's affected by some local atmospheric conditions. So which are that conditions? Sometimes their medium is also important. Then change in the temperature, change in the environment, all things are there affected to it. So in both examples, the air near the road or desert surface and near the holy plains is hot and hence rarer than the air above it. It's rarer than the air above it. So due to that reason, we are feeling that might be you have seen or not, I don't know, but I will show you. So like this structure, we are looking on it, on road or on holy fire. So in Marathi we are seeing that झाडा लागणे किंवा उन्हाच्या झाडा अशा तयार होतात बघा. उन्हाळ्यामध्ये असं दिसतं आपल्याला बऱ्याच वेळेस. खूपच ऊन असेल, खूपच रोड तापलेला असेल, त्यावेळेस असं दिसतं वरती. आपल्याला वाटतं तिथं काहीतरी असं आहे. पण ऍक्च्युअली तसं काही नसतं, ते फक्त एक हे तयार झालेलं असतं. म्हणजे जी हीट आहे तेवढ्या एरियातली आणि जी एअर आहे एअर काय झाली असते तेवढी हॉट झालेली असते आणि त्यामुळे तो आपल्याला स्ट्रक्चर पाहायला भेटतं. त्याला मृगजळ म्हटलं जातं मराठीमध्ये. काय म्हटलं जातं? मृगजळ. ओके, मृगजळ माहिती आहे सर्वांना? माहित नसेल तर मग त्याचा अर्थ शोधा मृगजळाचा. ओके, सो नाउ देयर the refractive index of air keeps increasing as we go to increasing heights. And in the first case about the direction of light rays coming from a distance keep changing according to the laws of refraction. What happened here? We know sunlight is coming from so distance, it's changing. Actually it's coming straight line, but due to the atmospheric condition we feel that it changes. Okay, and this shows due to the laws of refraction. So light rays coming from a distant object appears to be coming from the image of the object inside the ground. See that I told you the roads मधून आपल्या असं बाहेर दिसतं असे लाईट रेज बाहेर आल्यासारखं वाटतं. हे कशामुळे होतं? हे सगळं काय होतंय की हा जो सनलाईट आहे हा खूप डिस्टन्स वरून आपल्यापर्यंत पोहोचतोय ते रेजच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आणि या ठिकाणी हा जो सरफेस आहे हॉट सरफेस झालेला असतो आणि हॉट सरफेसच्या जे अराउंडची कंडिशन असते ती रेअर मीडियम तयार होते and it's above than the air. So due to that reason we can see this. Okay, and in second example if you see here about the holy fire, it's also same thing there. The direction of light rays coming from the objects beyond the holy. fire changes due to the changing refractive index. So why refractive index change? Can you tell me what is the reason behind it? Why it will be changed refractive index? Refractive index change. What is the reason behind it? Day before, means last week we have learned refractive index means what is their sin I upon sin R. Okay, so sin I means what? It's a incident ray, angle of incidence, and here angle of refraction. So both are continuously changing due to the condition, due to the atmosphere, because atmosphere is not stable. Now, if you see morning atmosphere is different, afternoon is different, evening is different, and in season wise it's also different here. So due to that is happening, and when this refractive index will be changed, and it's going on continuously, so we feel that mirage comes out, or that flames coming out through the purifier. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you going to speak or not? You have to tell me, are you getting it or not? So now effects of the atmospheric condition on reflection of light can be seen on the twinkling of stars. Actually, we are feeling that stars are twinkling. But stars are self-luminous and they can be seen at the night times. We know very well. We are unable to see stars in daytime. What is the reason behind it? Can you tell me?
Due to sunlight.
Due to
Because
the-
of
Yeah, very well. So due to the sunlight is happening, because sunlight is there very brighter than the star's light. So due to that reason, we are unable to see in daytime. But at night time, sun is not there.
Due to the sun.
Yeah. At the night time, sun is not there. So due to that reason, we can see stars. Okay. And stars, we are feeling that stars are like these point sources. If you see at night time, now due to the clouds it's not possible maybe, but in summer season or in winter season we can see this stars looking like as it is. Okay, point sources. Okay, why it is like? Because they are very distance from us, they are large distance from us. So due to that reason we are feeling that they are like as a point only. Okay, and what happened about here, as the density of air increases with lowering height of the surface of the earth. Density of air. What is meant by density? Will tell me.
Mass upon volume.
Yeah, mass upon volume. So it increases to lowering height of the Earth surface. So due to that reason, refractive index also increases. Means sin I upon sin R also changes, and starlight coming towards us travels from rarer medium to the denser medium. See, which medium? Rarer medium to the denser medium. So rarer, and this is a denser medium, and we know when light rays passing from rarer medium to the denser medium, then it changes its direction, and it's continuously going on this changing. Means it's not stable. This refractive index is not stable. Due to that reason, this light is always bending toward the normal, always always bending toward the normal, and it makes like as it's twinkling, it's twinkling. Okay, so this is happening due to the this phenomenon. Now in this figure you can see this is the apparent position of stars. This atmospheric layers are there. Okay, due to this atmospheric layer, and this light is coming like this, but when it comes here, that time it's affected by these atmospheric layers or conditions, and then it changes direction here, and real position of stars actually here, but we are feeling that they are here. Okay, from their surface. And apparent position of a star, here you can see stars and this person looking, and what happened, they're long distance from us, and here refractive index increasing continuously. Okay, so apparent position of star keeps changing a bit. This is because of the motion of atmospheric air and changing air density and temperature. Why is happening? All things that temperature changes, atmospheric condition, I told already, it's not stable always. We are feeling that, but actually it's not stable. It continuously changing. in the atmosphere. So because of the refractive index of air keeps changing continuously, this change we can see, and due to that reason, we feel that stars twinkling. Okay, their brightness is changing continuously, so we are feeling that stars twinkling. So why we do not see the twinkling of planet? That is the reason behind it. Planets are much closer than the stars. Planets are much closer us than the stars, so they therefore do not appear as a point source. What is the main reason? They are not appear as a point source. Stars are far distance from us. But what about planet? We know that this is your solar like this. In this, sun is there, and all planets are rotating like this. Okay, and they are closer than the stars. Due to that reason, we are not feeling that twinkling of planets, or we can't see it. Okay, so because of the change in the atmospheric refractive index, the position as well as the brightness of individual point source change, but the average position and total average brightness remains unchanged, and the planets do not twinkle. This is the reason behind it. Okay, we know that by the sunrise, above the sun horizon, what is in the horizon? Will you tell me? Horizon, zenith. We have seen in 7th standard. Who will tell me about this? Anyone sure? Raise your hands.
The line where earth and sky appear to meet is called horizon.
Yeah, it's appear like that. Earth and sky both are meet. That place we are seeing the horizon. So here in Marathi we are speaking that cities. What is the city then? When we see from one place to the straight line, then we are feeling that at one place, earth and sky both are touches to each other. This place is called the horizon. Okay, so when the sun is somewhat below the horizon, its light rays are able to reach us along a curved path due to refraction through the earth atmosphere. So sun, even before it emerges above the horizon, same thing happens at the time of the sunset, and we keep seeing the sun for a short while even after it goes below the horizon. Means at the time of sunset we can see sun even if below the horizon. Okay, now we have to see dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. What is meant by dispersion? General meaning will tell me dispersion.
Scattered.
Yeah, dispersion means scattered. From one source it will be scattered like this. It's called a dispersion. Okay, so students, this topic, before taking this topic, I want to discuss with you something.